Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative and innovative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on recognition such as traffic signal recognition, face recognition using FAIR library, face recognition using DFace library. Also we have gone through some videos on support vector machine latest videos and many more videos on machine learning using Python. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. Today's video is all about fruits and vegetable classification using Streamlight. I will explain Streamlight in brief, short. Streamlight Python machine learning. Streamlight is a free and open source framework to rapidly build and share beautiful machine learning and data science web apps. It is Python based library specifically designed for machine learning engineers. Data scientists or machine learning engineers are not web developers and they are not interested in spending weeks learning to use this framework to build a web apps. Instead, they want a tool that is easier to learn and to use, and as long as it can display data and collect needed parameters for modeling. Streamlight allows you to create stunning looking application with only few lines of code. So let us see the code. First part, importing required libraries needed for the program. Second part, FE-H5 file with all these things, fruits and vegetables. Then predictions are made. This is URL and proceeding images, and here processing on the image is done and classification of foods and vegetables. Now I will execute the program and we will see the classification. It will execute in GUI browser. Will execute. Yes, it is telling that run in this manner. So we will take copy and then we will run the program. Yes, browser is open. Now I will take some images of foods and vegetables and it will classify which is fruit and vegetable. Now F1. Yes, it is clearly showing it is a fruit apple. Here it is done. Now I will take another image. Yes, fruit, pineapple. Yes, it is showing here pineapple. Fine. Yes, orange. Very nice. Yes, it is showing here. Now we'll take some examples of vegetables. Yes, it is clearly specifying vegetables. Here also it is specifying. Recognition is done. Not only image is displayed. Yes, vegetable. Yes, we'll take another image of vegetable. Yes, cabbage. Yes. So I have successfully done with fruits and vegetable recognition using Python, using Streamlight. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I have taken more efforts to create this video, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.